Morning guys, down here at the Coogee Marina. Got the D22 today. We hooked up the D40 but the trailer plug lights weren't working, so we're heading out today, Saturday, long weekend for Australia Day. Beautiful conditions. It's about 7 knots of wind, 0.7 metre swell. Gonna go out, get some squid, herring, hopefully get some King George whiting, see what else is about. Should be a good day for it. We've got until about lunchtime before the wind comes up, so give you an update on the way out and when we get out there. Right, we're out here at Coogee. Was that? We're just chucking a couple of crab pots in. I'm just talking to the camera.
Oh, sorry.
You're right. Got Ethan here with us today. Say hello, Ethan.
How's it going?
The big rod just went off, so that took the herring head that I've got here. And we've got herring on the squid jig out there as well. Haven't been on the boat for a few weeks, so motor was a bit smoky, but it's going all right.
That's wicked. What, it just ran and stopped?
Yeah.
Fuck.
What the hell, mate? That took that one too! They're hungry today!
Fucking hell. Fucking hell. That's
Yes!
that's the spirit we want.
I'm just using heads like that.
Oh, I got some oily.
Oh, I think, we hooked onto a fucking crab pot, man.
Have we?
Yeah, have a look. I didn't see you chuck that one in. Okay, we're gonna have to do something here. Do you reckon I should try? Fuck. I'm not gonna have much line left here. Alright, rod's in. So old mate over here's broken down. Marine Rescue have come to help him. We're just drifting past him. Mate, this time of the day, if we broke down, I wouldn't even call the rescue. I'd wait till the end of the day. Just keep fishing and then go, oh hey, I need a tow back, thanks. Checking the crab pots.
Empty.
Oh, nice snapper. You're holding an endangered species there, Ethan.
Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Swallowed both hooks. Nice.
Hold
Little
him
penny.
up. Hold him up.
Hold him up.
Nice colours.
He's off.